Okay, this is my second video that I'm putting in chicken coop build series, I guess. If you're watching this one, you probably saw the first one and somewhat liked it and came to see the second one, so I appreciate that. This is my second go at making this video. I had made it yesterday and put it all together, was about to upload it, and then I thought I had saved it and I didn't. So I hear about that happening to people all the time, so I guess this was my first and hopefully the last time ever having that happen. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. There should be more videos in this one than just pictures. Thank you.
Alright, this is about day three and a half. Kind of put them together. I don't always get to come out here and do what I want. Got the trench pretty much dug. Gotta get that around the front, but come a little bit wider, but I pretty much got all that done. Working on the inside part. Over here, that's going to be where the nesting boxes go. Got a little window up at the top. I gotta have that function like that. I'll put the hardware cloth on there. But I kind of got to use two hands for it. And just turn that block and hold that shut for right now, because I don't want that warp another one. It's okay. So come around like that. I put a board right there, right there. Just closing this side pretty soon. Make the door. It's gonna be the door. There's some of the chickies over there in the old coop. My sister gave me a good idea what I need to do with that one. There we go. Got a couple black, 5 marins, black copper marins, and some Americanas, whatever. Y'all know. I'm gonna redesign that coop. This came with the house. I'm gonna repurpose it, make it into like a rooster box, I guess. I don't know. Put some hardware cloth around the bottom and open up the bottom so they can come in. And that's kind of like the yard. I'm gonna redo this entire fence. PVC posts. They served a purpose, but it ain't gonna work. I'm gonna take all of that down and just make a normal fence and then put wire on the normal fence. What the hell? Alright. Kind of just set up here. Doing the operation. Taking my time today. It's a beautiful day. It's like 60 degrees today, so first real cold front of the year. I was going to be out on the stands hunting. I went hunting yesterday, just videotaping my cousin and his nephew hunting, but they wanted me to be out there today, but they were all leaving and going. Some of them had a headache and this and that, so I just came home. I want to get this done. Alright. Nice, nice. I like it. I need to never know what I want to do next, though. I got so much to do, and then just one piece at a time. Well, I ain't got really too much more done, but got that in. Got those boards up over there. So basically just finished closing this in and I'll be alright. I deal with that though. I'm gonna do something about that. Anyway. Chickens over there still having fun. Loving the day. Beautiful day. Let's see. Starting to come together. I think I'm gonna work on that window right there, that door, that side. Alright. And onto the... Kind of waiting on hinges. I got enough I'm gonna do the doors, and but I need hinges to do this door, that window, and that window over there on that door. That door's done now. This door functions. I'll do that. I'll do that. And then this opens up. Can't really see with all that sun. Anyway, that's kind of how that'll work. Chickens are going crazy. It's getting warm though. So you can shut this door. Yeah. And that's a window. I need hinges on it. And that's just gonna flap up. I'll grab it right here and just be able to flap it up. Alright, so this didn't turn out exactly like I wanted it. I broke that board when I was putting it in. When I screwed it back, I didn't realize I screwed it back about half an inch low, so it's out of level. But that's not right, you know. It was right. Just didn't pay attention at the last second. It's hard getting that board in because everything wasn't quite square. If you can look down there. And then this one really I can't tell with the sun and the glare. There you go. Yeah, it's out. I didn't cut it right or something. But anyway, it's in there. Got plenty of room underneath for them. I'm gonna put a couple 2x4s going across at the top to hang things, perches and stuff, but looking pretty good. Alright, debating. I think I'm gonna put that 2x4 up right here, and the one right there. That way I can box this in, but I can't finish it until I get those hinges. Guess I can frame the chicken door up. Still trying to kind of blow that up in my mind how I want to do it. But should be easy. I gotta put up what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 2x4s in here to make it right. Yeah. Okay. Got all this dug out too. I already dug that out. So I'm dug out all the way around. That's a pain in the neck digging all of that. Have to pull these posts out of the ground. What y'all doing, chickens? That's so cool to watch. Alright. Anyway. I think I'm gonna make doors. I think I'm ready to do that. Tired of dealing with the other stuff. I think I'm on with the doors because I do have the hinges for those. Alright.
These next few pictures show me making a door, well, hanging a door with the door on the coop, and this is definitely not my idea. I got this straight from Joe at Northern Seclusion. If you want to see how to make this door, just go over to his YouTube channel and look up his series on the Louisiana chicken coop, and he has a very detailed explanation of how to make these doors exactly like this, and they really work well.
With the doors on. Showed y'all that in the last video, but what do I have here? Starting to build the inside coop a little bit more. Got that window up. I need to put that one, and that one, and it is no fun nailing those because it hurts the knees, but they gotta get done soon enough. I think I'm gonna have to go to Home Depot. I gotta get a couple things. Need to get some more staples, nail staples, and I need to get, I think I'm gonna put some linoleum down on here. So I'm gonna get some of that. And then I should be able to wrap this up today. Put a screen on here, screen on there, here and here, and the coops. And it's done. This is how this door ended up finally working out. So you can see into there. Like that. Not bad. So they're gonna have a door right there on the inside. Then they got this door. I'm gonna put another turn right here to hold it shut. Put it right there. And it's just gonna turn. That window, I need to put the screen on it. Not too bad. I like the way that is. But this is the difference between that door. That's gonna be the nesting box. That's the difference between that door. The window is on this door. Because this door does like this, and the whole door opens. The whole thing is one piece on that side. There's advantages and disadvantages to both, I can tell you that. But I kind of accidentally ended up with both. So it's alright. Either way, I'm happy. Alright. Got the dirt dug out right there. So put hardware cloth way into the ground. It's about 18 inches out. In some places it's probably more than 12 inches down, and in some places it's more like 6 inches down. So that's okay. It's going to be into the ground, and no vermin, predators, or anything will be able to even think about getting into here. Got these ideas for these doors, and this whole coop is basically off this guy on the internet. And I just kind of improvised on how to strengthen my door up. That's how he said, but the door functions pretty good. I got a little block at the top that stops it, so when you shut it, it stops it right there. You can push a little bit, but it ain't going in on the bottom. I'll tell you what, that's pretty good for a door. This one doesn't. This one kind of falls back in on itself, and I think that's just because of the, well, very slowly, kind of not bad. Better than the freaking doors on my old house, I can guarantee you that. Yeah, see, it kind of wants to find its way home. Not too bad though. You open it. It stays. So, alright. Chicks out for the morning. They're eating some scraps I threw in there. That's all the black marins. There's the rooster right there. You see the red on him? Oh, wait. There's 3 black marins. No, 2 black marins and 2 Americanas. That's an Americana. That's the black marin. That's the rooster. What's up, Mr. Rooster? And there's the other Americana back there. What the heck? I think that wire's giving it. Anyway.